All right, now we're going to make some fun pieces here. And this is something that I learned from my professor, and it's just fun to make, and they give a great surface for decorating. And all it is just we're going to throw a form, just a basic form, basic cylinder, a large cylinder, and then we're going to squish it in on either side, and it's going to make the pot look like that. And then it'll give us one surface on this side and one surface on this side for decoration for when we go and glaze it and stuff. It gives it a nice palette to paint on, to say. And you can make them this big, or you can make them this big. However, for this demo, we'll go, I think that should be a fair enough amount of clay. And that's going to make it, not very big. Generally, I like to make these pots about that big. Nice squish on it. But there's no need to do that now, just for a simple demo. All right, so you want to get your nice piece of clay sorted out, about the right size. And we want to go and wedge this to make sure it's all nice and free of air bubbles.